Your engine has started smoking, and your neighbor in the garage advises, just add some additive and it'll go away. Sound familiar? Let's take a look inside and see what's really going on. The smoke is oil leaking past worn rings. This is where the miracle additive comes in. Essentially, it's an oil thickener. It coats the parts and temporarily reduces leaks. The smoke is reduced, the engine runs smoother. It seems the problem is solved. But under high temperature, the additive breaks down and turns into deposits. The additive doesn't cure wear, it only masks it. There's only one solution: repair.